All right, boys and girls, today we're going to talk about converting some audio files. A lot of times our performances and our animations are going to be completely centered around the actual voice recording to begin with that we need to animate around, okay? You have to have that in the right format, right? So every format of audio doesn't go in. So WAV files and MP3s are about the most common files that we use that'll go into all these programs. But let's say you record your audio on, say, your phone or some other device and it doesn't record in a format that you like. So how do you do this? So I have a recording that recorded on my phone, on my Android phone. It records it in an M4A, which is not compatible with the program in Character Animator that I want to use it with. Okay, so I'm going to use an audio codec here, transcriber called, if you guys go to Launchpad, and what we're going to use is Adobe Audition. Okay, and we're just going to go ahead and launch that program now. Okay. This is a super easy process, and you're going to go and you're just going to go get your file. So I'm going to go and say open a file or import a file, either one, and I'm going to go find my file. Now the file I recorded a couple jokes here, and I am going to go and find my M4A file right here. Okay, so I've got M4 gunpowder for breakfast. Okay, and I want to go ahead and open that in Adobe Audition here. Okay, now you see this transcribed as like a visual here. Okay, that's very cool, and there's a lot of things in this program we can do, but what we're really going to do is just kind of export it in a different format. So we're going to go to File and we're going to go to Export. We're going to go export a file. We're going to change this to what we want. We're going to go ahead and right here it says format. We got all kinds of formats, but we're just going to put it into a regular old MP3. I'm going to put this, tell it where I want it to go. I can browse right here. I'm just going to put it back in my downloads. Then I'm going to say, let's change this just so we have this right here. I'm going to change it to just a different name. I'm just going to call it Gunpowder Audio MP3. Then I'm going to say OK. Okay, say yes, move up. Does it pretty quick. Short recording didn't take very long. Okay, audio moves pretty quickly. Okay, now I can go back over, say, to my program, and I should have a Gunpowder Audio MP3 right there, and I can open it with my program of choice. I'm just going to open it with QuickTime Player here, and now I have a recording that I can bring into Character Animator. Okay, so we're going to stop there, boys and girls. If you have any questions, find me in class.